Hi, I'm Ken with Carrve Custom Vans and Carrve Equipment, and I'm here today to show you how to install our rear door panels for the Mercedes Sprinter. In your kit, you're going to have two door panels. You're going to have your driver's side and your passenger side door panel, your hardware kit, along with some anti-seize for when you go to thread the bolts in. Here are the tools required to install your door panels. You have a drill, Sharpie, 4mm Allen, a 2564 drill bit, a pilot drill bit, and a rib nut tool. All these tools can be found at your local hardware store or online. For install, we like to add sound deadener to the door panel itself. Not necessary, but definitely adds for a quieter ride. Your first step is going to be to mark your reference line for the correct positioning of the door panels. We're going to use this center support as our center line, and we're going to transfer this over to the side of the door. Mark it on both sides. And we can wipe this Sharpie mark off after, but this will be our reference line for installing the door panels. Next, you're going to want to take your door panel and insert it into the door cavity. Here, you're going to want to use your reference line to make sure it's straight. Make sure it's even spacing on both sides from your reference line. Press firmly and then mark your holes. And then take out your door panel. This part's not necessary, but I like to use a center punch before using my pilot bit. Next, I'm going to use the pilot bit to drill out the holes. Drilling into the door, especially with the larger drill bit, it's nice to have some type of collar to prevent you from drilling through the other side of the door. Here, I'm just using a piece of PEX pipe and allowing only about 1 inch of the drill bit to be shown, and this will prevent from drilling through the door. You can also use a socket. This works as well. Next, you're going to use your 2564 drill bit to drill the holes out to the correct size for the rib nuts. Another recommended step is to paint the raw metal around the holes just to prevent any kind of corrosion that may happen down the road. Next, you're going to install your rib nuts that can be found in your hardware kit, along with some bolts for installing your door panels. Now you're going to install all 4 rib nuts. Next, you're going to want to use your anti-seize and coat just the tip of the bolts. Then you're going to take 1 bolt, and you're also going to have your door panel, and you're going to install your door panel into the door cavity and then hand tighten your 1 bolt. Then you're going to install the remaining 3 bolts. Lastly, you're going to tighten up all 4 bolts with your 4mm Allen. After securing your door panels, you can drop in your toolbox liner to prevent rattle and wipe your Sharpie marks with rubbing alcohol. Now you can repeat the process on the other side and you're good to go.